Welcome back to the channel. My name is Xavier. Welcome back to Juice Crypto Talks. Today's video, I had someone in the comments ask me make a video really quickly on how to use BNB for Uniswap. And for those who don't know, Uniswap is a AMM, automated maker, marketing maker. And what these things do is it gives you the ability to actually trade on different blockchains such as a decentralized exchange. It gives you the ability to trade on Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, CeeLo, and also BNB. And in order to do that, you got to make sure that you have certain wallets that can be connected to this. Some of the wallets that you actually need is you need BNB chains. You need BNB to be connected to your hardware wallet. You also need certain other cryptocurrencies to be connected. So in order to do that, you need what's called like a ledger. So you need to buy a hardware wallet. You need to get a ledger. Once you get the ledger, you need to add the certain blockchains to your wallet in order to have access to these blockchains. Primarily, you need to download Binance Smart Chain. So for those who are using a ledger, you need to get Binance Smart Chain on your ledger, okay, and you'll be able to connect that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a couple things for you guys, but we're going to connect to a brand new wallet. I just bought a ledger. This is a brand new wallet that's been playing around with it, and I'm going to just show you guys some things on how to connect to Uniswap with certain wallets that you use. Primarily for those who do not have a hardware wallet, you're going to use Metamask. You can download Metamask on the Google Store or the App Store. It's free. Once you download Metamask, Metamask already has certain blockchains already on there. It has a couple blockchains already on there primarily, but it doesn't have everyone, okay? Now, if you're doing this from a computer, I advise you to do this from a computer, folks. Do not do this from your phone. Like a lot of people like to do this from the phone, and you just can't do this from the phone. You need to do this from the computer. So I'm going to connect to the new wallet. This is my new wallet. It's got this new hardware wallet, so there's nothing on it right now. So as you can see, I'm going to click on this real quick so you guys can see on MetaMask the different blockchains that you have to add. Okay, and it's really simple. If you don't have the certain blockchains already on here, you can actually go to Google and type them in to get them, and I'll actually share with you guys how to do that to get the different networks. So once you create your MetaMask account, you do your 12 key password, everything's set up on your MetaMask. Right here, where you click right here, not on your account, so you're not going to click your account, so you're going to click right here with the drop down, right above the account and everything like this. This is going to show the different networks that you can connect to. Now, primarily for this video, we want to connect to the Binance Smart Chain network, okay? But in order to connect to the Binance Smart Chain network, most of you guys do not already have the network information. So in order to get the network information, you're going to click on Add Network. Once you click on Add Network, it's going to prompt you to the next page. And on the next page, you're going to have to enter some information. You're going to have to get the network information if it's not here. So currently right now, we do not see that the network information is here. We see different networks that are on here, so we can add some different ones. Like Optimism is a great network. You can add that one. And then you can add the other one. So I'm going to go back on here. So what's that? So Harmony, you can add that one. You can add Aurora, CeeLo. These are the different blockchain networks that you can actually trade on. What we're going to have to do is now to go to add manually. So now we're going to have to manually enter this network. Well, we don't have the network information. So next thing we're going to have to go to is Google. So we're going to have to type in Google, and then we're going to have to type in Binance Smart Chain Metamask. Okay. Then you're going to click search. Once you click search, we're going to have to find the configuration for it. So here's the configuration, configuring MetaMask with Binance Smart Chain. We're going to click on that. We're going to see if this is the right information. We're going to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. So it looks like it's a step-by-step guide. Great. So what we're looking for is this information right here, not the test net. Make sure it's not the test net. If it's the test net, it will not work, okay? It cannot be the test net. It has to be the main net. So we got the main net information, okay? So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna type it in right there. So Smart Chain, we're gonna type in the new RPC URL. So the new RPC URL is right here. We're gonna copy that. We're gonna paste that right here. We're gonna go to the chain ID. Chain ID is 56. And I'm just showing you the step-by-step guide to do this, folks. It's like this for every other one. So for those other that are trying to add the other networks on here, for MetaMask, there's many of them. There's Chronos, there's Avalanche, there's Ethereum, of course, and then there's Binance Smart Chain, and then there's some other ones on here that you can add. But this is how you would actually manually enter the information if you need to. So now you guys know how to specifically do this, okay? So we're gonna add the symbol, which is BNB. We're gonna put the symbol right here. And then optional, it says you can optionally do it. I always just do it just in case, because it is the Explorer, so I wanna make sure that it does have the full Explorer on there. So next thing you know, you're gonna click save once you're done. Okay, so boom, and that's it. The network pulls up. Now you guys now have the Smart Chain network on here. So these are the different networks that you can connect. You can connect to each one of these: Matic, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Chronos, Phantom, Arbitrum, Optimism, and that's it. So that's how you actually connect to the network, and now you have Binance Smart Chain mainnet on here. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to connect to a DApp. Now there's two DApps. One of the decentralized applications that you can use if you want to swap from different tokens is Uniswap. And then you also have another one that I want to share with you guys right now, which is called DYDX, which is another decentralized exchange which you can actually trade on here. So not only can you swap, you can also trade on DYDX, and then also you can do some other great opportunity things on here. That you can actually look into and see what else you can do on here. I won't go into full information on DYDX because that's not what this video is for. This video is solely to show you how to connect Binance Smart Chain to Metamask or to whatever wallet that you're using, because you need a DApp to connect to a Uniswap, which is Metamask is the best one. So that's why I'm sharing with you guys with Metamask, and then how to connect to there so you can actually start using your Binance Smart Chain on there, okay? So the next thing you want to do is, since we already have the wallet and everything is ready, good to go, we're just going to go click on MetaMask. Once we click on MetaMask, we can see that we're already on here. The wallet is already connected. One of our wallets is connected. And then it's just asking deposit tokens to the BNB network. So that's all you got to do now. So all you got to do at this point is this now. You got to have BNB on this wallet. This is a brand new wallet, so there's no BNB on this wallet, obviously, since it's a brand new wallet. But as you guys can see, now I am connected to Uniswap, and I can swap BNB if I actually have BNB on here. So now you can see that BNB, and you can see the different things that I can swap on. I can swap between different BNB tokens on the BNB network. Not only that, I can swap between the DAI network, the USDC, USDT, Ethereum, BTCB, and BUSD. So I can swap between all these networks on the BNB network, folks. And that's it. It's really, really simple. The main thing is you have to make sure that you have the network in order to use Uniswap. If you don't have the Binance Smart Chain network already connected to MetaMask, then you're not going to be able to fully connect to here because you don't have the network on MetaMask. So in order to get the network, we just actually shared that in the video really quickly to get the network. So now all you got to do is just connect. Make sure that you have the network connected to your MetaMask. Make sure that you have the BNB ready. Then that's it. All you got to do is use the BNB to swap between different pairs that you want to. And also, very important, remember, Uniswap is not only the BNB chain. You can swap between Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, or CeeLo. So if you have Ethereum, you can swap between Ethereum and other Ethereum or ERC20 tokens. and you can swap between Ethereum. A lot of the Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Arbitron, CeeLo, BNB, they allow you to swap between the stable coins as USDC and USDT majority of the time on the different networks. Now, there's certain pairs that will not swap between certain pairs because they don't work with those networks. So that part is very important. So just check on Uniswap when you're using it so you don't make any mistakes. But Uniswap is a great platform for those who are looking to do swaps or atomic swaps. And also, I encourage you guys to check out DYDX. This is a decentralized exchange. It's a decentralized trading platform where you can trade on here, where you do not have to use centralized exchanges anymore to trade, such as Coinbase Pro or Qcoin or Binance, folks. And not only that, if you guys can see the volume that has been used in the last 24 hours, there is a lot of volume that is actually moving on this market. You can see how many trades have been executed, and that's the trading volume with that many trades being executed in the last 24 hours. And not only that, they do offer perpetual trading for those who want to know a little bit more about that. Make sure you check this out. Also, trade for free. Enjoy no trading fees on your first $100,000 in volume every month, folks. So there's no trading fees for your first $100,000 in volume. That's huge. I mean, a lot of brokers charge you trading fees and stuff like that. This is a decentralized exchange. They barely charge you trading fees, and if they do, the trading fees are really minimum compared to if you use a centralized exchange. So I encourage you guys to use them. Like, think of a centralized exchange. When you're using a centralized exchange like Coinbase, they charge you the deposit fee, a withdrawal fee, a trading fee. There's like 3 fees that come on top of using it. And not only that, you also have to deal with broker fees because you're using their services. So instead of all those fees, 3 to 4 fees, the only fee that you're going to get is just a trading fee of after $100,000 in volume every month. That's one fee. That's a small fee, folks. So make sure you check this out. DYDX, great platform. Again, just a recap on this video. Just wanted to make this video real quick because someone in the comments asked to make this video, and I wanted to do this for you guys. So I hope this video actually helps you out. Sounds like the issue that you're having is you do not have the Binance Smart Chain connected to Metamask. So very simple. First step, you need Metamask. So, just recap. Go to Google, go get Metamask. Metamask connects to Uniswap, okay? Once you get Metamask, make sure you set up the wallet. Now, the steps to set up Metamask is really simple. I think I might make a video on how to set up a wallet on Metamask for you guys and, just make it really easy. So I think, I might make a video in the next week or so just to show you guys how to do that. But very simple. The steps to make Metamask is very easy. You're going to go to Google. Actually, we'll do it right now. You go to Google. You're going to type in Metamask. Once you get to Metamask, you're going to download Metamask to your computer. Now you're going to use Google Chrome. You can use that. You can use the Brave network for those who are earning cryptocurrency using the Brave browser, and there's other browsers you're going to use. So I already have Metamask downloaded. So once you have Metamask downloaded to Google Chrome, for Google Chrome users, so you know where Metamask is, it's going to be in your extension folder. It looks like a puzzle. This is what it looks like for those using Google Chrome, okay? You're going to click that. Once you click that, you're going to see that you have MetaMask right here. Then once you have it, you're going to click on it, and then it's going to ask you sign in or create wallet. If you don't have MetaMask, you're going to create a wallet and get started, okay? Once you start the process with that, this is a brand new wallet because I just bought a new ledger for this wallet, folks, okay? So not only that, once you have it created and everything like that, you'll see all your information to your account. One thing that's very important, once you set up your MetaMask, you're going to have a 12-key password. And I think I'm going to make another video when I can actually set up a brand new account because I'm not setting up a full account. I'm just kind of walking you guys through the steps real quick. But there's going to be an area where it's going to ask you to write down your 12-key password. That is your private keys, folks. If you lose that, you lose your funds. So very important. Pause the video, listen to this, write this down. Your private keys control your funds. So the 12-key password that you have to write down is pretty much your password for your funds. Remember that. That is your passwords to recover your funds. That is your recovery phrase. If you lose that, you lose it. Okay? So very important. Once you get that all set up, folks, remember, then you're going to have to add the network. Binance Smart Chain network is not going to be automatically added to here. So that's why for those who are connecting Metamask to Uniswap and you're having issues is because you don't have the network on your Metamask yet. Once you have the network there, the next thing that you're going to need is you're going to need to then put deposit BNB on here. So that's really simple. All you got to do is just copy this right here, and this is your receive address. So just copy this right here, and then send this receive address to wherever you're sending your BNB, and then send your BNB here. Once your BNB is here, then you're going to be able to use Uniswap, and you're going to be able to swap. Not only that, folks, you can also swap on MetaMask. So you don't really fully need to use Uniswap. You can also use MetaMask to also swap on here. It gives you the ability to swap between different BNB tokens already. So that's another option that you do have instead of using Uniswap. Now, one thing that's very important, if you do use MetaMask to swap tokens and not Uniswap, the gas fees are way higher on MetaMask. They're way higher. So Uniswap's gas fees are a lot better than using MetaMask. So that's just another thing to also remember if you're going to use Uniswap. Now, there's other places where you can also swap tokens, and I want to make this very clearly and actually give you this other website. And this other website we've actually talked to. I'm not sure for those who've actually watched our videos, but we've also talked about another exchange where you can swap tokens. And I love this one. It's actually, I use this one more than MetaMask because the fees are way better, and I can swap between way more blockchains. Like Uniswap only allows me to swap between 7 blockchains. On Rubik exchange, I can swap between 22 plus blockchains. So this place, you should actually use this one for that one that's looking to use Uniswap. Try out Rubik. I think you'll like Rubik a little bit more. I wanted to make a video to show you how to use Uniswap, but want to give you some more advice. And if you like this, try it. Let me know what you guys think. Also, everyone else watching this video, let me know what you guys think. Want to give you guys as much options for those who are trying to use decentralized platforms. Uniswap is a great platform to use to swap tokens. Also, DYDX is a decentralized exchange which you can trade. You can trade on there. Uniswap, you can only swap. You can't trade. It's like you're just swapping between different pairs. On DYDX, you can actually trade live. That's live trading. It's a decentralized exchange. And then Rubik's is just like Uniswap, but the only difference is you can, and I'm going to show you right now, is you can actually swap, instead of swapping only between 7 blockchains, oh wow, now you can swap between 32 blockchains. Wow, that's crazy. The last time I checked it was 22, folks. They just added more. Oh, they added Cardano. Wow. So they added Cardano, Polkadot. They just added Ripple, Litecoin. Wow, this is crazy. They just added Monero, Tezos. I'm about to be using this all the time now. They just added more blockchains. This is so exciting. But yeah, Rubik's is a great place. There's 32 different blockchains that you can now trade from. Are decentralized. This is a decentralized platform, folks. You can connect to MetaMask also through here, which is really cool. So just want to give you another option for those who are looking for more options when it comes to options. But thank you, folks. Thank you for tuning in to this video. I hope that that gives you some insight on just some different exchanges that you guys can choose from. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. For those who are using Uniswap, make sure you check out Rubik Exchange. Really good option, 32. Instead of using 7 exchanges for Uniswap, why not have the option to have 32? I'll see you guys in the next video.